Akiaria hindi ya mihango ya uhandi wa mite mutito-ini wa Rariak kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa mititu Alex Lemarikoko augite thirikari ni irikitie gukanja marua ma gikundi gia CFA gia Friends of Karura magugitikeria kungania mbeca ona gutuika gikundi giki no giguthie na mbere na gutwarithia mihango yao ya uramati wa mutitu wa Karura.
We have elephants in this forest and other wild animals that we want to ensure that the habitat is available and well managed and also secure for the wildlife. We are currently carrying out fencing activity for this forest, 54 kilometers of the forest. About 90% is already done, only about 10% is remaining, and we hope it is going to be finished by Kenya Wildlife Service, which is the institution that is carrying out that fencing.
Wakati Kenya Wildlife walianza kuwekea sisi stima ya vikingi, yani ukuta ya stima, tumeona inaanza kufanya kazi nzuri, na kwa hawa wanyama hawatusumbui sahi. Kwa sahi aitusumbui.
Lemarikoko oigite thirikari ni uritwo ni mamirioni ma mbeca kwa ihinda ria miaka 15 na uguo matacukitie ikinya riri niguo kuibaibia kiondo kia igoti. Ihinda-ini o riu Lemarikoko ni atugiritie ngwataniro na wirutiri wa ikundi cia CFA akiuga ni itemete itemi inene hari mihango ya kugacirithia na kuramata mititu.
The existing structures of managing that forest, including the scouts, including the various nature trails and various other installations and facilities inside the ecotourism area, they remained under the management of the Friends of Karura, who are a CFA that is working with the Kenya Forest Service through a management agreement. So we are implementing the management agreement, but we have to make a change in terms of collection of revenue in order to comply with the government directive.
Turoria thirikari ethie na mbere gututeithiriria tuhote ku implement management agreement na nigetha nyamu ici ciikarie mutitu na andu mahote guthi kumana tondu ria ciauma guku ciathie nanja ni ituthukagiririo muno cigathukia mai cigathukia waya na koguo turoria thirikari ethie na mbere na gwika atia na kugitira na njira ya kurikia rugiru na ihenya o uria kungihotekeka.
Muingi na memba ikundi ici mwena uyu ni mahinyiriirie thirikari kuhanyukia mihango ya kurekereria rugiri rwa thitima niguo kunina thina wa nyamu cia githaka gutharikira muingi na gwithema ureithia wa mahiu tari mwitikirie. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma mutito-ini wa Rariak Ng'arua kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, nie njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa wira.